What happens if you eat orange every day? Health benefits of eating oranges. Orange is a widely recognized fruit worldwide and is renowned for its numerous health benefits. Oranges are not only enjoyed as a snack but also used as a prominent ingredient in many recipes. Nowadays, orange juice is a vital component of a healthy breakfast, promoting a nutritious start to the day. Oranges come in two categories, sweet and bitter, with the former being the most commonly consumed variety. When selecting an orange, look for smooth textured skin that is firm and heavy for its size, as these will have a higher juice content compared to spongy or lighter oranges. Whole orange versus orange juice. Eating a whole orange is considered more beneficial and nutritious than consuming orange juice because it contains fiber. 1 cup or 240 milliliters of pure orange juice contains the same amount of natural sugar as 2 whole oranges, but lacks fiber, making it less filling. Fiber is essential for promoting bowel movement and preventing constipation. If your goal is to lose weight, consuming fruit is a better option than drinking juice, since juice can easily cause excessive calorie intake. If you prefer to consume orange juice, it's important to be mindful of the amount you drink and opt for freshly squeezed juice. Packaged juices found in supermarkets often contain preservatives and may not be as healthy. Oranges are generally safe to consume, and only in rare cases do people experience allergies after consuming this fruit. However, individuals who suffer from heartburn should be cautious, as consuming this citrus fruit may exacerbate the condition due to the presence of citric acid and ascorbic acid, vitamin C. Benefits of eating oranges. High in vitamin C. Oranges are rich in vitamin C and can provide 116.2% of the daily value for vitamin C in just one fruit. Adequate intake of vitamin C is linked to a lower risk of colon cancer, as it helps to eliminate free radicals that can cause damage to our DNA. Healthy immune system. Vitamin C plays a crucial role in maintaining a healthy immune system and can help prevent colds and recurring ear infections. Prevents skin damage. The antioxidants present in oranges can shield the skin from the harmful effects of free radicals that contribute to aging signs. By consuming an orange every day, it is possible to maintain a youthful appearance even at the age of 50. Keeps blood pressure under check. The abundance of vitamin B6 in oranges aids in the production of hemoglobin, while the presence of magnesium helps to regulate blood pressure. Lowers cholesterol. A group of scientists from the United States and Canada have discovered that polymethoxylated flavones, PMFs, a type of compound present in citrus fruit peels, have the potential to reduce cholesterol levels more effectively than certain prescription drugs, and without any adverse side effects, as per their research findings. Helps absorption of iron. Citrus fruits play a vital role in maintaining the normal functioning of our body by aiding in the absorption of iron. Doctors have always recommended anemic patients to include citrus fruits in their diet. Anemia occurs when the body lacks an adequate amount of mineral iron that is essential for it to function properly. Although oranges are not a good source of iron, their high vitamin C content is essential in the absorption of iron. Promotes good heart health. Oranges can help reduce the risk of heart disease when consumed within the recommended limit, thanks to the nutrients they contain. Heart disease is a leading cause of premature death globally. Oranges are linked to good heart health because they can regulate blood cholesterol levels, which is often a factor in many heart conditions. Controls blood sugar level. Oranges are a healthy snack option for people with diabetes, as the fiber in them helps to keep blood sugar levels in check. Additionally, oranges contain simple sugars like fructose, which can prevent blood sugar levels from spiking after eating. With a glycemic index of 40, oranges are considered to be low in sugar. However, it's important to consume them in moderation as excessive intake may result in insulin spikes and possible weight gain. Lowers the risk of cancer. Oranges are a rich source of D-limonene, a compound believed to have cancer-fighting properties that may help prevent lung, skin, and breast cancer. The presence of vitamin C and antioxidants in oranges is essential for strengthening the body's immune system, which is crucial in fighting cancer. Additionally, the high fiber content in oranges also contributes to their cancer-protective properties. Research has shown that up to 15% of cancer cases are caused by DNA mutations that can be prevented by adequate consumption of vitamin C. Alkalizes the body. Oranges have an acidic nature before digestion, but they contain a significant amount of alkaline minerals that aid in the digestion process. This characteristic is comparable to that of lemons, which are widely considered to be highly alkaline foods. Good eye health. Oranges are abundant in carotenoids, and their vitamin A content plays a crucial role in maintaining healthy mucous membranes in the eyes. Vitamin A is also important for preventing age-related macular degeneration, which can result in blindness in severe cases, as well as aiding the absorption of light by the eyes. Safeguards against constipation. Oranges contain both soluble and insoluble fiber, which can promote smooth intestinal and stomach function and prevent irritable bowel syndrome. In addition, the fiber content of oranges can effectively alleviate constipation. Useful tip. Like many other citrus fruits, oranges yield more juice when they are warm. It is advisable to juice them at room temperature. To extract more juice, you can roll the orange under your hand on a flat surface. Once cut, oranges should be consumed quickly since vitamin C degrades rapidly when exposed to air. History of oranges. Oranges have a fascinating history. The initial oranges were cultivated in the northeast part of India, Southeast Asia, and southern China. They were first grown in China in 2500 BC. It was during the 1st century AD that the Romans brought young orange trees from India to Rome. Orange orchards were planted by Christopher Columbus in Haiti after he acquired the seeds in 1493. Oranges were first introduced to Panama and Mexico in 1518, and shortly after, Brazil began growing their own. Juan Ponce de Leon, a Spanish explorer, is credited with planting America's first orange trees in 1513. Valencia, blood orange, navel, and the Persian variety are among the sweetest types of oranges. If you enjoyed watching this video, don't forget to like, subscribe and turn on the notification bell, so you don't miss any new videos. Let us know your thoughts about this video in the comments section down below, and feel free to stay safe and enjoy. Also make sure to check out our next highlighted video, and we will see you next time. Thanks for watching. Please like, share, and subscribe.